What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech. Special shout out to the guys at Moko. They sent me over these cases for review. And then this case has a magnet so strong you can put it up on the fridge while you're making dinner, watch those YouTube videos, get those recipes right. Let's go ahead and unbox these things and check them out together. So the first one we're going to take a look at is this slate black one, and I like that color choice. I'll show you why. It just looks really cool. And at under $13, you're getting an absolute steal, a very protective case with automatic sleep wake up function and an S Pen holder. Just take a look at this slate black. I'm feeling this color, guys. I like when companies give us a little bit more options in terms of color instead of just those solids. I like it. Nice soft material, but you just have a little company branding right over there. And then let's take out this, see what it's like. This is your pen holder, goes right here, pops right into place. And if you need it, all you have to do is pop it out from the bottom and you're good to go. You have a nice little shock absorption material on the inside. Take a look at that pattern there. So installation, super easy as you'd expect. Now this case is tempered glass friendly. I just don't have mine lined up correctly. As you can see on this corner, I left just a little bit too much space there. So if you have your tempered glass lined up just properly, it's not going to lift at all. And just taking a look at that front lip protection. Now this is a tablet, and you do want a little bit of lip protection on the front. So you're getting a decent amount here. Again, when the case is closed, when you flip that cover over, that's offering you a ton of protection. No issues with these buttons. They are a little bit flush, so it makes it a tad bit tough to press. I wish they were not as flush with the case. But even though these buttons are a little stiff, you do have the auto wake up feature. So all you have to do is lift the cover and your tablet's going to be ready for you. So these buttons really aren't an issue with the auto wake up feature. Taking a look at the bottom, your speakers. There are your grills for the speakers. Cutouts are perfect. And that's where your S Pen is on the top. Same thing, you have your cutouts and your microphone. And this is what it looks like. Well protective case. It's covered completely around all of it. It's not one of those half cases where it just clips in. It actually is giving you 360 protection all around. What's really awesome about this case, not only does it look really cool with this slate black material, but on the inside you also have this rubber TPU type. So really you can set this up for any viewing angle that you want. Let me just show you that. As you keep sliding it down, it's a non-slip material, so you can pretty much watch at any angle that you want. And this is important, especially when you're on the plane and you're just trying to get that right angle. Am I right? You all know when you're sitting in the plane, you really don't have that much space. Your food arrives and you're trying to watch a movie, but you have a weird viewing angle. You can't really get it. No issues with this. You can kind of play around with it. Even put it at an odd angle if you wanted to. No issues whatsoever. Now let's check out this case. This one has a magnet so strong that you can put it on the fridge and it's gonna stick there. It's not gonna fall out. So while you're making dinner, you can watch YouTube videos, you can watch a movie, you can actually get those recipes right. Sometimes we really need a visual representation of how to make a dish. At least I do. Let me know down below if you guys are master chefs or not. But this case is super, super cool. This whole cover right here is a magnet. I've tried it. I've put it on my fridge. It's held up. I watched the whole 30-minute video on this without any issue. Landscape or portrait was not a problem whatsoever. And it feels really nice. I don't really know what type of material this is. It kind of feels like a PU leather type of feel. That's just what I'm thinking. This case is a little bit more expensive. It's about 30 bucks, but check my link down below. And if you do want to use your tablet in the kitchen, it's well worth paying that 30 bucks than getting flour and egg all over your tablet, rendering your tablet pretty much useless. I like the design. There's also different colors, but I like the two-tone design to this one. Opening it up, on the inside, you have the same kind of pattern in there for shock absorption. And of course, Moko's intuitive design that I really like. For that S Pen, all you have to do is pop in your S Pen and it's not falling out at all. Putting in your tablet is really easy. All you have to do is pop it into place. This is tempered glass friendly, so no issues if you guys have a tempered glass, but you have a little bit of lip protection. Closing this flap gives you the most protection you're ever going to get on a case. And then just looking at it, it's a really nice, stylish, more upscale. So even if you didn't put this on the fridge every single day, it's a very upscale, executive type of feel, type of look. And I'm definitely feeling that. I like to feel executive from time to time. Your cutouts are all perfect. No issues with these cutouts whatsoever. This being a Moko case, you do get the auto wake up, auto close feature. And on the back, you have a little business card holder or credit card holder. Whatever you want to put in there is not an issue. You can also stand this up. So if you flip it over just like this flap comes out, and then you can decide how you want to view whatever you're watching. So if you don't want to use that magnet feature, you don't have to. This is what it looks like. And you have different slots, so you can get the right viewing angle that you need. Overall, I think it's a really nice case, guys. But again, the main selling feature for this one is the magnet, and just plop it on your fridge and you're good to go. Little company brandy, never hurt anybody. Right over there, Moko. Let me know what you think about these two cases, whether you're the magnet type or whether you're the Slate type. Either one of these is going to be perfect. Under 14 bucks. About 30 bucks, both very protective, both really stylish cases. I always appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.